has the fastest fingers in the West? Hi, I'm Carol Sue Thomas, and I'll show you tonight on Evening's People.
Good evening. That'll be taken care of.
This goes right in there. Okay, while you like that, Carol Sue Thomas now meets up with the fastest typist in the world. For all young people.
Hi, I'm Carol Sue Thomas, and as you can tell, I am not the world's fastest typist. But tonight on Evening's People, we'll meet someone who just might be. These flashing fingers belong to one of the world's fastest typists. That's easy to believe. After all, they're typing at a speed of 180 words a minute.
All right, you guys loose? Let's take in for you.
But what's hard to believe is that those fingers belong to this man. At 6'3" and 245 pounds, Ron Mingo is just about the last person you'd ask to sit down and type a memo.
Come on, baby. Go first base. Get on the shaft. All right.
They say seeing is believing, but sometimes you can't judge a book by its cover.
That boy. Gotta get him.
It's kind of hard for them to believe it. They have to see it. And then they still shake their heads. This is strange. You know, you're just too big. You shouldn't be typing. You should be doing something else.
So what's a guy like this doing, slaving over a hot typewriter all day?
I started in junior high school. I was 12 years old in the 8th grade. And it's a funny thing. I fell in love with typing.
Return your carriage.
That was 23 years ago. After 15 state typing championships and 3 world records, Ron still keeps his chops up, teaching typing every day at Oakland High School.
All right, now you're singing it. I want you to say it. Slow it down. I want you sharp.
It's a pleasure teaching in the school district, relating to students, to motivate them, to inspire them, to be the best at whatever they decide to do in their life.
This is? These are?
I know that I give off a positive role model to the students, you know, because they can see the truth in me.
I think if one person can do it, you can do it too.
Today there's a special presentation. You see, Ron not only types fast, he types to music in what he calls an inspirational presentation.
It's kind of funny to me, but people are always asking, say, Mingo, man, how in the world do you type so fast? And I always tell them, hard work. Hard work.
I type any type of music that has a beat, or I make a beat with it. So I'm another instrument within the music. When I'm really doing it, I'm in another world. You know, I'm just mellowing out.
Typing to music is all well and good, but we wanted to get down to the real stuff with our own unofficial time trials. How fast does the world's fastest typist type?
160 words per minute.
Want to try it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Just working one part of your body, which is just your fingers. You have quiet hands, and you just manipulate your fingers as fast as you possibly can. Read as fast as you possibly can, and just type. Just obliterate the typewriter.
That's it. How many words?
Oh, about 160.
You know, many of us spend half of our working lives in front of a typewriter, and we still can't type The Flight of the Bumblebee. But a big guy like Ron, typewriter Mingo, teaches us that there's no type that can't type. Hit it, Ron.